So good afternoon and welcome to Graz University of Technology. My name is Klaus Wicklisal. I'm heading here the Wireless Communications Research Group. We're most interested in investigating wireless propagation channels, also in localization and sensing applications in particular. And we recently got this equipment, the up and down converters and the phased array antennas by TMYTEK in order to do our research to extend our research also to the mmWave frequency bands. So I will hand over to Patrick to introduce the equipment and to show the approach that we are now pursuing. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Patrick and I'm going to show you the channel sounder we have built up at our institute. For that we have needed the products created by TMYTEK. You can see here the channel sounder. We have a signal generator that generates our sounding signal, and this signal is up converted by the UT box from TMYTEK. And this signal now is in the mmWave regime, and for that we need mmWave antennas and beamformers. And these two we can see here. Once we have a transmit beamformer and once a receive beamformer. We measure our signal which we are transmitting and looping it back to our transmitter. Now we are creating the channel impulse response to characterize the propagation channel. You can see this impulse response here. The amplitude of this channel impulse response and the delays are changing if I change the propagation environment. For example, if I put a reflector in between the transmitter and the receiver, the amplitude goes down almost to zero. TMYTEK is providing us with an application interface to steer the beam. We can see this interface here. We have the opportunity to steer the beam graphically. If I change the beam alignment, I can also see the influence on the measured channel impulse response. If I align the beam perfectly straight to the receiver, I get a very high amplitude.
Remember to subscribe, like, and ring the bell.